Okay, so this is a nice little avocado snack here. It's magnificently delicious. The first thing that you do, well, what we're going to do first is we'll crush the black pepper, and we'll get that out of the way. Keeping the whole peppercorns whole and intact keeps the oils fresher, gives the pepper more flavor. I like to take the peppercorns, and then I take a specifically designed glass with a flat bottom, and I crush. Okay, now you can leave it like that, and you've got some nice big pieces of peppercorn. Or, these are my favorite shorts. Normally when I'm out with my machete chopping coconuts, I use my shorts to wipe with, but these are actually my nice ones, of which I have one pair. I should probably go shopping today. I bet you'd agree.
Yes.
Okay.
We should go shopping.
Now here's some nice thick black peppercorns, and then what you can do is to get them smaller if you'd like, to go like that. Now obviously you can use a peppercorn grinder, but I just think this is always so much more fun to have this, and you'll notice the freshness of the black pepper. Next is the preparation of the avocado. These are some nice fresh in-season avocados. Now there's several ways to do this. You can either peel this, or you can cut while it's inside the peel and then pull it out with a nice large spoon, which I'll show you in a minute. And so what you do is you find the biggest spoon that's close to the size of the avocado that you're eating, which is just about right here. You can do a little test like that. So if you have a smaller avocado, a smaller spoon. If you have a larger avocado, you can use a larger spoon. Like sometimes we get really big avocados, I'll use this thing. A couple of tips and tricks from the Life Rejuvenator guy. So there we go. Now we're going to lay this out real nice, like not really Instagram style, but you know, still enough to make a video. It's more real, and then Katya can enjoy her snack attack coming from way back. Lay that avocado out there for those hungry vegan kids. Okay, and then the next move is a little tiny dash of sea salt. My fingers are wet, so I'm not going to be able to do that. I'm just going to use a spoon here. And next, and last but not least, is the black peppercorns. Magnificent. You like black pepper? Good, because there's plenty on here. And there you go. That is the magnificent avocado snack. Let me show that to you here with a close-up. The lights just blast me out. Never works. Oh well. Anyways, here you go, sweetheart. Thanks, everyone. 3 minutes and 42 seconds to raw.